We got the question, what could we do with an excavator that hasn't been done before?
如果我们用牢固的链条将挖掘机和赛车连到一起，我们可以看到，我们的挖掘机不但可以操作工作装置回转。
The first reaction I had when I heard about this project was, wow.
I think this is the first time for me to see this kind of challenge. The machine and the car work together.
其实啊，我们让我们的这个挖机呢来进行不同的挑战赛，就是让我们从不同的方面来了解我们的机器，从而啊，大家可以认识到我们的这个设备是有多么的伟大。
We are preparing the chain.
I think in the role I have today, my chances are pretty slim.
If it doesn't work, at least we have tried and we have learned a lot, and it was a very fun experience just testing it.
It's not very often you have full wheel spin and you are dragged backwards, so it felt a bit weird, but it was cool.
No problem. I didn't even feel any weight when I was dragging it, so no problem at all. You may be wondering how we can do all this that we shows in the clips. That's because we have updated swing motor, so now we have much better swinging strength on the machine.
We need to be bold, we need to dare to test new things.
This machine have an D5 engine that has really high torque, high prestanda, and the most important thing, really good fuel consumption.
It's not a fair fight really, but at least I'm doing my best.
You know, once those tires light up, it's sliding around the place, and then the enormous strength of this arm. Yeah, it looks really, really amazing.
Standing here at the end of the shoot is like way better than I imagined.
是的呀，我想啊，这辆赛车只是想坚持下去。
是的。
但从这点上面可以看到，我们 EC200的这个马力和控制啊，真的是非常非常的强悍。好了，那我们这一次的挑战赛呢，就告一段落了。那么下一次的挑战赛，你们想看什么呢？请赶快输入你们的意见，我们已经迫不及待了。谢谢。
谢谢。